The Logosol MF30 is a milling machine with unique possibilities. Its primary feature is that it is a competent vertical shaper. The spindle is replaceable and can be tilted to 45 degrees in both directions. This machine is unique in the shaper world in that you can use both cutters and fixed router tools as well as shank-in milling cutters. With the ability to tilt in both directions, you can take advantage of every tool to its maximum. And with adjustable fences, you have always maximum support for your wood. The whole motor unit with the spindle can be turned 270 degrees. After a quarter of a turn, you have a long drill and a mortising machine with tilting spindle. Turn another 90 degrees and you have a plunge router, even this one with tilting spindle. There are several accessories for the Logosol MF30. There are table extensions, electric feeding, XY table, and many other accessories that will help you do the work easier. The Logosol MF30 is a multi-function machine without compromises. It will do what you want.